The United States' mishandling of the immigration influx on its southern border is generating a human rights crisis for regional communities. Mexican towns along the border are struggling to accommodate swelling numbers of undocumented migrants refused entry by the U.S., leaving the refugees increasingly exposed to unsafe, unsanitary, and unsustainable conditions. Rosalina, a Honduran who seeks to enter the U.S. legally, has been staying in the Mexican border town of Reynosa for 6 months. She hopes for bringing her daughter to the U.S. to reunite with her husband and 2 other children.
Sí, han sido muy difíciles. Era un camino muy largo de un país que no es de nosotros, pero que tenemos que cruzar lo necesario para cruzar hasta donde nosotros vamos. Y no ha sido fácil, pero llegamos con bien, tal vez enfermos, nuestros hijos cansados, y pues seguimos.
Rosalina's immigration procedures were delayed due to Title 42, a Donald Trump-era regulation that allows U.S. immigration authorities to ban migrants from entrance on the grounds of preventing the spread of COVID-19. Rosalina is one of 2,000 migrants recently transferred to the city's Santa de Vida migrant shelter after living in a makeshift camp at a square in Reynosa.
Es un tema que ya lleva más del año, en donde ha creado asentamientos irregulares como este que ustedes pueden ver, y obviamente ha afectado muchísimo a nuestra ciudad, en temas de seguridad, en temas de salubridad, en temas también económicos. Hemos sido fuertemente afectados por este tipo de asentamientos irregulares.
Santa de Vida is located less than 50 meters from the border river Rio Grande. According to data from the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, since the beginning of the current fiscal year, which began in October, U.S. immigration authorities have detained more than 1.2 million undocumented migrants, many of whom risked their lives to cross the Rio Grande.
Y el desafío es que se lleve a cabo, se nos vaya a todo esto, que no, la gente no empieza a entrar ilegalmente.
According to U.S. media, recent immigration restrictions have led to a noticeable shortage of labor in U.S. sectors that traditionally employ immigrants, such as agriculture and construction. Estimates say the U.S. has 2 million fewer immigrants than it would have if the migratory flow had maintained its pre-pandemic volume. The U.S. government recently announced Title 42 will no longer be implemented as of May 23rd, but a federal court in Louisiana filed a temporary restraining order on the decision to prolong its application indefinitely.